Hi guys, so today I will show you how to set up the Aqara system in this villa. So this is our villa, we have set up all the Aqara system here. Just come on, I will show you. So this is our Aqara system we have installed here. We have the AC and we have the lights here. And we have the co-light, spotlights, chandeliers. So we have taken the big chandelier, we have chandelier here, everything is controlled wirelessly. So I will show you. So this is the co-light. See, you can switch on, you can see this co-light, you can switch on. This is the co-light. You can dim from here. And we can make on and off. This is everything is controlled here by wireless. Hi guys, do you know this? So what is this? This is Aqara S100 panel. So it is work on wirelessly. It doesn't have any wire or connected. So this we can from this we can control multiple lights like bed spots, closure spots, co-light, any. If it has the screen as well, we can add the screen. We can add 2-3 screen as well to control. So all here we have, we doesn't have any switches here. So panels you can see here. We doesn't have any switches. All are panels. So this is a S100 panel. So from this S100 panel we can control multiple devices. Like multiple devices, Aqara devices, for the lights, for the curtains, everything we can control. Here we have spotlights. So if I make switch off from here, so only see, if you switch off from here, the spotlights are going to off. See this? Okay. So we have slide. Slide means you can make it dimmable. If you are 50%, so the light is going to dim. So this is the full brightness, nice brightness. So you can control the dimmable from here from the slide. It's going to control. And the same in the application. We have this dimmer. We have this dimmer, so we can control from here, and how much is 100% fully on, so we can make it less and up and down. That's here also dimming is going down, you can see. So this dimmer we have installed in the ceiling here. In the ceiling, in the dimmer, it is in the ceiling. From this ceiling we can control wirelessly from the S100 panel. This is the sequence of operation of the S100 panel of Aqara. So the S100 panel Aqara setup. So in the beginning, in the next days, I will show you all the Aqara system, chandeliers, everything, how it will work and how to install and how to set up everything. I will show you. Please subscribe and like the video for the to get the latest updates. We are making for AC, electrical, all the videos. This is helpful for you. Please subscribe and like the videos. Thank you.